I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by CoinKite.com, bringing you the best hardware to secure your Bitcoin. The Cold Card Q, the Tap Signer, the Block Log, and plenty more goodies can be found over at CoinKite.com. Use code BTC Sessions for a nice discount at checkout.
I'm bullish on Bitcoin for a few reasons. One I thought about was that I'd have to be an absolute moron not to be bullish because I am like all in. So like imagine being completely all in on something and not being bullish on it. So that's number one. That was the easy one. Second one, actually the second one was to do with culture. Like I've noticed a lot of the Bitcoin culture. A lot of those shitcoiners say like, oh, Bitcoin culture is dead, and like. But I've had a couple of anecdotal situations now where I've been out and I've just been chatting to someone, and they're talking about like education suddenly, that and how bad education's getting, and then we'll have a chat about that for a while, and then they'll bring up hints about government and whatever, and then we'll get we'll get some food across, and then we'll start talking about food, and they start to talk about how they're like a carnivore or like carnivore, and I was like, whoa, hang on a second. Are you a Bitcoiner? And they're like, oh, that's funny you should say that. We did buy some Bitcoin a few years ago. And it's like so I'm noticing that the culture of Bitcoin is there, and I'm enjoying like finding the people that not just have Bitcoin, but then these are people that aren't in our like Bitcoin Twitter universe. They're just people that have bought Bitcoin and just have it, but somehow they've also cracked into the eating and education and government and all this kind of stuff that like so I'm bullish on that. I'm bullish on improving society bit by bit. I had another bullish thing the other day. I made this shirt and made this hoodie, and it's got Meme Factory doesn't exist, and I got my nice. my maxis, and then I've got this the Bitcoin logo on my sleeve, and I was showing my wife. I was like, "Hey, what do you think? What do you think of my?" And she said to me that she thinks the Bitcoin logo needs to be bigger on my arm. Like, come on.